This is a delicious apple. The sandwich is very tasty. I love to eat fresh vegetables. The soup is hot and spicy. This pizza has lots of cheese. The cake is sweet and soft. I like to drink cold juice. This banana is ripe and sweet. The bread is fresh and fluffy. I enjoy eating pasta with tomato sauce. The rice is cooked perfectly. This chicken is crispy and delicious. The salad is healthy and crunchy. I love eating ice cream on a hot day. The burger is big and juicy. The orange is sour but refreshing. This dish is very salty. The pancakes are fluffy and golden. I prefer my coffee with milk. The cheese is creamy and soft. This apple pie is warm and comforting. The fish is grilled and tender. The grapes are sweet and juicy. I like my steak well done. The pasta is al dente and flavorful. The soup is rich and creamy. This chocolate is bitter and smooth. The toast is crispy with butter. The noodles are long and chewy. I enjoy eating fried rice with egg. The muffins are soft and moist. The strawberries are fresh and sweet. The hot dog is served with mustard and ketchup. The watermelon is juicy and refreshing. This salad has lots of tomatoes. The rice cakes are light and crunchy. The sushi is fresh and delicious. I like to eat chicken wings for dinner. The fruit salad is colorful and healthy. The pie is made with fresh berries. The chips are crispy and salty. The omelette is fluffy with cheese. The shrimp is cooked with garlic. I love having toast with jam for breakfast. The yogurt is thick and creamy. The pancake syrup is sweet and sticky. The spaghetti has a lot of sauce. The fruit is cut into small pieces. The dumplings are filled with vegetables. This chocolate cake is rich and moist.